Hi guys.
Hindi naman alam sa video. Sana also ano popcorn.
Yun, so nakakatuwa kasi ang dami nang sa Milanes. First is si Morris kasi is may another league na naman siya. Under a different coach. This coach used to be his coach in a previous league. So parang kukunin lang siya ulit for another league. Dalawa sila actually ni Dexter. So si Dexter was here at 1 o'clock. Yun kasi ang call time ko sa kanilang lahat. So nakaka-high blood kasi they're not all here at 1 o'clock. So na-high blood na ako. Grabe high blood ko talaga. Ayun guys, so dapat IMAX kami ngayon pero ang daming nangyari. Nakaka-high blood tong araw na to. Diyos ko, mga wala sa call time. So ako pa naman pag na-high blood na ako sa mga players ko, ayoko na lang ituloy yung isang bagay. Pero because we're very grateful to Wicked Talks BGC, very thankful to them for sponsoring today's gala and today's IMAX experience. Actually, kaninang tanghali, all I thought was makakancel yung IMAX. Pero nung nandun na kasi kami, we were able to, alam mo yun, reserve a seat. So kaya natuloy kami sa IMAX. Doon tayo sa entrance. Saan pupunta yun? Halika na. Ito na yun. Kasi ang popcorn namin is parang 1:2. 1 popcorn is to 2 players. Nakakatawa kasi meron tayong Palar Boys na nagsulo ng popcorn.
Sana also ano popcorn. Hindi ka sarili mo? Ha? Solo niya. Solo mo. Grabe talaga, no? Big time.
Tawa ko ng tawa kasi yung mga reapers natin, yung mga seniors, nag-share and I was sharing with Dexter. So, merong isa tayong Palar Boys. Tawan-tawa ko kasi solo siya sa popcorn, ha? In fairness sa kanya, solo siya sa popcorn. Kaya, grabe tawa ko sa loob ng sinihan kasi sabi ko, nag-share tayo. Isa may nagsusulo, sana all solo. We had not only popcorn but also we had parang bits of ano lang, parang hotdog bits. Parang ganun. Bite size siya na hotdog. Masarap siya. Kaso nga, bilis lang kasi bite size lang siya. Pero at least, meron kasi wala. And then we had a bottle of water for each of us. And then, inubas na kami. Nakakatawa rin kasi wala palang MRT. So, dapat magkukumute lang kami. Pero dahil wala nga daw MRT, initially, di ba, nandun si Cap and then si Demesa, susunod sana sa, well, sumunod naman siya sa Guadalupe Station ng MRT, pero wala nga daw MRT. So yan na nga yung sinabihan ko sila, sige mag-ora na lang tayo, at least close to everyone. Until I decided na, sige na nga, bumalik na nga tayo sa Mega Mall, kasi yung dalawa nga, medyo malayo. They're in Mandaluyong, Bibeng and Morris. We're both in Mandaluyong, so it would take time for them to, you know, go back, papunta dito sa Ora. So, ayun, kaya I decided na, sige, let's change route, let's go back sa original venue, which is Mega Mall. The good thing is, we were able to, we enjoyed it a lot. It was 3D, it was Zilla Kong, the new Empire movie. I would rate it as, I'd say 8/10. maganda siya, very eye-popping. I like the CGI, the story, mainly the story. And then I think all the CMTV, both juniors and Bigpers enjoyed the movie as well. So once again, this would have not been possible if not because of Wicked Dogs PGC. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Charlie Makoy TV. Peace out.
Okay guys, so pauwi na tayo. Mga basura-basura. Yan guys. Ay, natapos din. Finally. So, hindi na kami nakapag-video kanina. Ura-urada ang pagpasok namin. Late na kami ng 3 minutes. Kakachika namin sa labas.